Imagine waking up early in the morning, picking up your phone and seeing a new notification that says you've earned over $100 with a direct transfer into your bank account, followed by another notification that says you've earned $337 in a direct payment into your PayPal account. This is something that happens to me and many other people who know the trick to receiving notifications like this on a daily basis, if not hourly. But you could be one of us today. I'm going to show you a total of 5 free apps that pay you automatically and with little to no effort on your part, though you still have to download the app and log in every day to get your money, so it's not completely zero work anyway. Make sure you stick around and watch the entire video to learn about all of these 5 apps, because the more apps you use, the more money you'll make. They're all totally free and don't require a credit card or investment. They work in the United States, the United Kingdom, Australia, the Philippines, India, Nigeria, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Indonesia, and many other additional countries, where we will teach you the most recent tips and strategies for making money online. Before we continue with this video, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell to be notified when I upload a new video, and don't forget to leave a comment below. Let's get started. The first software I'll demonstrate is Instack, which you can get from instack.com. By just freeing it up on your phone, you can make a lot of money. This is compatible with both iOS and Android devices, and when you visit the Instack Facebook page, you can see the name and logo of the business. They'll even display all of their payment documentation there, and they'll be upfront and honest about it. Congratulations on redeeming a 66 PayPal, as you can see here. When I click on the next button, you can see that another guy redeemed $100 in paper money and another $80 via direct bank transfer. You can now also redeem your money for a free Amazon gift card. I could go on and provide you with more evidence if you don't have a bank account or PayPal account, because there are literally hundreds of thousands of these. This is a 65 Amazon gift card. Of course, you can see it for yourself on the Facebook page. For instance, you may conduct some simple surveys and get paid by simply clicking a few buttons. Here, you can earn points for online activities you already engage in. Whenever you have 10 or 20 minutes free, you can just browse the internet. You will be compensated for every minute you spend browsing different websites and using Google. And more importantly, I prefer watching videos to any other method of earning money. This is one of my favorites because it only requires you to tap the play button to start a video. Plus, you can open multiple tabs to watch multiple videos at once. You can also earn money from this method by taking surveys or doing web searches while watching videos. You can join Instack if you download and install this app using Facebook, Twitter, or Google, or you can just enter your login information and click this button to register and receive 10 free points. Now let's go on to the second app, which is called App Karma. The best feature of this software is that it can be used on both iOS and Android devices. You may earn awards by using it, and it is absolutely free. You may now exchange the points you've earned using this app for gift cards from major retailers or PayPal. All you have to do is click this button to download App Karma to your phone, and once you do, you'll be able to collect 300 points for free, with every 100 points equaling $1, meaning they'll give you $3 without you having to do anything. If you want to increase your earnings and profit on App Karma, you can also refer other users to this app. This software is very amazing because you can just download it for free and earn passive income without having to do anything at all. All you have to do, however, is to log into this app. As you can see, simply logging onto this app will earn you money. Simply share your invite link and referral code and you'll get 30 off whatever your referrals earn. For example, if you suggest one person and they earn $100, you'll receive $30 without having to do anything. Make sure to check in every day because once you do, they'll reward you with bonuses and extra cash just for using the app. In addition, every time you finish a task, they'll give you a badge that will help you level up. As you can see here, you can raise your reward level whenever you earn all of these badges, which will save you 12.5% on the bonus and let you effectively multiply your earnings. This is absolutely insane, so make sure to look through all of the achievement badges and collect as many as you can to boost your profits. Before we continue, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up if you've enjoyed the video so far and if you found this video helpful. For instance, if you earn $100, you could instantly increase your earnings to $125 by simply applying those badges. It's time to get back to work and start earning some money. The third app I'd like to show you today is Cashkick, which you can get at cashkick.com. We'd love to hear your thoughts. The most valued reward on our website is cash, which is deposited into your account in full via bank transfer or PayPal. You can earn cash by taking surveys, different great bargains on this website. You may watch videos and browse the web almost similarly to Instack. To sign up for a free account, simply enter your email address and password and click the button to get started right away. Moving on to app number 4, whose name is actually SuperPay, you can go to pay.me. However, they will pay you even more money than is the GC. I want you to concentrate on watching videos because that will pay you the most. Basically, you can earn money online today by taking free paid surveys. You can get paid in as little as 24 hours. They have a very low cash-out barrier, and you can work from home. The concept is very straightforward. If you sign up today for free, you can instantly receive 20 cents as a welcome bonus. You can then participate in surveys and offers to earn more money, and there are many different ways to withdraw your earnings, including PayPal Money, Amazon gift cards, Skrill, and Bitcoins, to name just a few. Look at this. They're very transparent about all of the payment documentation. All you have to do is click on this button that says Join Free Today, and it will take you to the website that says Register for Free. From there, you can view all of the members' names or usernames as well as all of their payments. The majority of them use PayPal and see the earnings of $3.63, $35.08, $14.90, and $1 over and over. You can input your payment information here so that they can pay you once you complete all the chores, but all they need is your name and email address to greet visitors from all over the world. Examine the rules and regulations. Click the I'm not a robot button to register for free. Now we'll move on to the final app, SmartTap, which you can find at smarttap.io. You can download and install this app for free on your smartphone and begin earning money each month without doing anything. And they have gotten a lot of positive feedback and testimonials from people all over the world. Basically, you sign up for a free account and complete a few short surveys to see if you qualify, and if you do, you can download and install the app if you meet the requirements. Now, if you want to download this app and sign up for a free account, all you have to do is click on this I'd like to sign up button, which will take you to a website where you can complete a brief survey. Once you've met the requirements, you can download this app to your phone and start earning money passively without doing anything. You can download the software for free on your phone again and again to make passive income. That's it. If you like this kind of content, check out my other videos. If you enjoy them, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell. If you have any further queries, feel free to leave a comment below.